I've never developed better relationships than I've had with many of the faculty members. They see the genuine enjoyment I have for every subject I'm studying. My relationships with them are developed through not just academia, but through the clinical works that I'm doing with them. So seeing them work with me one-on-one, it allows for, I believe, more in-depth learning.
I think what was surprising to me coming to Ross and experiencing our professors and interacting with them is how accessible they were. You don't tend to have accessible professors when you're at larger universities, and that's not the case here.
When I got into this university and when I started here at Ross University, the faculty and staff here have been supportive in ensuring that I'm making positive steps towards becoming a future physician. They do that by making sure that my needs are met. They make sure that they provide ample opportunities for me, including office hours and practice questions and opportunities to review the material, so that I feel confident going into any test or going into seeing my future patients.